Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing well today. Today I'm doing a pedi using up some open book. This is a sub box set, probably from a couple of years ago, 2023 ish. I think it was like September. It was the book themed sub box, and they sent. So if you remember, open book is so there was Foreshadow, which was a full set of navy blue, and then open book was the same thing but split. I hate split strips because if I want to cut, I'm going to cut it myself. So we're going to use it up on this pedi. We're going to do a pretty classic Sarah move. I'm going to do the split uh, thing on my big toe with a stripe between it. I was going to do, I also have, oh my gosh, Foreshadow here because I'm going to use it on my pedi, or sorry, on my mani. Oh, I'm committed now. Dang it. That's not where I wanted to place that. Wow. Okay. We're doing this. I have Peely on too, so it's not like I can reposition it. I have, well, no matter what base I had. Anyway, I was going to do a full set of the Foreshadow and then put Golden Flurry on it because I've been craving some blue and gold together. I think that's a pretty combo. But then I was thinking about how I was going to incorporate it, and then I went, I just want to do a little split diagonal thing like I do many times, and I'm just going to patch this because, it's my toes, and I hope you're not looking at my feet that closely. So, okay, we're going to use the other half there. I think this is probably, was this a six? This might have been a 6-finger strip, so this might be a 6-strip set. One of the, they don't make them too much anymore. Yeah, comes with 6 in there. And so there's one big thumb. This was not quite enough strip, and it feels almost a little brittle. It's been open for a long time. I don't even remember when I used this one. I've been trying to use up partials. See, I have like a little corner there. This is such a mess, you guys. So welcome to Sparkling Nail Studio with Sarah. We do a lot of this is cool and a great idea, but also a lot of, okay, don't copy this. So I want a little more blue for this little, but it'll come out okay in the end. We make it work. See, I want to just cut a strip right there. I have just a little bit left of this one, so I'll pick just a small one that I'm gonna use, and then once I use up all of this Foreshadow, then I will pull out. I'll start using the Foreshadow. So use up open book and then move to Foreshadow. I can't remember which way I said that. But see, I want to cover that little edge right there. Anyway, my last pedi video I did, it was the one I did with Sipping Sunshine. There's my scissors. There was, so I had not experimented with, well, kind of, because I'm not really good at moisturizing my toes. And so I did some moisturizing treatments on it, and I didn't do a good job of rinsing that all off before applying my pedi. And they were like some of them were not even sticking. Some of them on these ones, I could just slide them around. And I did just a nail strengthener base coat. I wasn't doing peely because I was headed on my trip and I wanted it to last. But after I let it cure overnight, they were solid again. So there's the update on that. I know I said in that, I was like, if they don't stick, I'll come back and fix it up. So I'm thinking we can use Golden Flurry across there. So anyway, I do a lot of planning of kind of what I want to do, but then there's just a lot of figuring it out as we go. And so you guys see the real deal on here. Sometimes it's like, oh my gosh, should I really upload that? And then I just do it. Unless there's been a few videos that the audio is really messed up or something. Generally, you guys see the real deal. So we're gonna do this is kind of, I'm gonna try to get the most of the glitter, like the most glittery part, the center of the strip. There. There you go. And then I'll clean up the edges later, but okay, now I've got lots more open book here. And I'm hoping these half strips are big enough. See, that's too small for there, but maybe, let's see, I need to keep, okay, I'm setting aside the two because I'll do my other foot later. You can see it over here. Those are the two biggest ones, so I'm going to save those for my big toe. And then we can use up these on my other toes. I think I'm going to do this foot, and then I'm going to do my mani because it's going to be coordinating using similar vibes. Well, I got some golden flurry on there. Oops. I was really trying not to do that because I already prepped my nails because I was thinking in my head that I was going to do my mani first and then do my toes since I was making them match. Because then you can use the little bits of leftovers leftover from your mani. So if your nails are short enough, you can use one strip for 2 fingers. Mine are not though, so I have a decent amount left over. So I was going to do it that way, and then I realized I would rather just do the Pedi, and I can't remember why I decided what. But oh, it's because I have my setup. My phone holder is set up to do a Pedi, and I don't want to do it. Anyway, so I'll come back and do my other foot just off camera after I do my mani. And I almost always turn my Pedi, when I'm doing my Pedi, turn my strips sideways because my nails are they're short and wide, as probably most people's toenails are. Sorry, getting little bits that were stuck to my fingers. And yeah, these are a little on the crispy side, but they're doing okay. See, that's not going to be enough for there. So we'll do it on the pinky. So yeah, I've been experimenting with peely on my toes, and I've only done it once before, and then I'm doing it today. And they stayed on pretty well until I had a day or two in. I think it was this toe, my big toe. The whole strip just kind of like sloughed off. So I think it maybe caught on something, which is easy to do. So I think I am going to do more peely on my toes because I really just don't like removing my polish, whether it's fingers or toes. And so I think I'm going to do it because then, as long as I'm, if I know I'm going somewhere or I'm going to be really busy, I'll probably not, because if I don't want, oh, that's way too small. Okay, let's get out some foreshadow. This one's just a little taller. That looks like that pinky strip may work. Oh, these are doubled. Yeah, that looks big enough. Anyway, because that way I can just, and if I'm around home, it's not that big of a deal to just go, oh, cool, I'll come do my Pedi again. I like doing my nails. So I don't like removing it though. Putting the stuff on is much more fun. Where's my one? I should not be using my nails right now so much as tools as much, since I have them all prepped. See, in that, I'm just going to kind of leave it, and I'll probably nail clip it later. Same with these other ones. They're not super perfect. That one is not wanting to stick. So who knows? Maybe I'll be back down here soon doing my nails again, doing my Pedi again, which, like I said, is not a bad thing. Okay, and then I want to add some gold. I don't know if I want to do all of them and how I want to do it. Ooh, doing the actual glitter dip could be really pretty because then you'll see the blue peek through. Because this is golden flurry. I think I said that, but just in case. Problem is you can see my toes are just wide. Wider than the strips, generally. You know, this one, let's see. Which one did I say I was going to do it on? This one works. That just looks like a glitter overlay. You're not really getting the glitter dip. I am going to just keep going with the same strip though. Just like that. So you're gonna have a little bit thicker glitter. I think it would be tricky to get the glitter dip effect maybe if you did a side to side. I don't know if that one's gonna stick on my little pinky there. Okay, now the debate is, do I do more gold? Maybe just leave it like that. I think I like that. Yeah, as they cure up. If this one comes off, I'll just redo it because it's yeah. It's not seeming like it wants to. But again, last time I thought there was no way my toes were gonna stick. But I did them a couple of days before our trip, so I had time for them to like cure all the way. And I was like, no, they're pretty solid. And they did. They lasted the whole trip, minus my other big toe. I like kicked the, not the dash, but like where I was sitting in the car on our trip. I kind of like kicked it when I went to get out, and my nail broke, and so it, I lost a bunch of nail and some of the thing. But other than that, they lasted really well. So it just took time for them to meld on there. But anyway, there is today's Mandy. Very fun, really, for any time of year, but I think it's a pretty elegant look for winter. And I'm about to do something similar on my nails that I'm really excited for. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and I hope to catch you out on the next one.